Hi team, we are going to see about the Tamil Nadu Shops and Establishments Act 1947. So this is an act to provide regulation of condition of work in shops, commercial establishments, restaurants, theatres and other establishments and for certain purposes. So this act contains two sets of sectors like a shop and an establishment. So we'll see what is a shop and an establishment. A shop is a premises where any trade or business is carried on or where a service is rendered to a customer. So, in layman term, to understand the shop, so a shop is a place where we get the groceries or where we get the textiles. Any other shops you see comes under this act of shops and establishment. So, why are we studying this then? Because there is another component called establishment where we'll fall under this category. So, what is an establishment? Establishment means a place which is not a shop but which carried on a business of advertising, commission, forwarding or commercial agency, or which is a clerical department of a factory or industrial undertaking. So this shop and an establishment are closely in line because in both the cases the economic generation is there. In both the cases the economic activity is contained, but in shop it is directly rendered to a customer. In establishment it is not necessary that it should directly render service to the customer. It could be a support, it could be a development, or it could be any other processes. So in any other act you see, the act will focus on the three aspects like health, safety and welfare of the employee. So now we are going to see about the working conditions which is given in this act. First, the working hours. So this act gives as in working hours for an establishment as 8 hours in a day and 48 hours in a week. This act states that an employee should work for 8 hours in a day and 48 hours in a week. Some establishments or in some places you might have seen the working time is mentioned as 9 hours. The reason is with the next point. Rest and intervals. This is one of the section in this act. So this rest and intervals contains 1 hour for each 4 hours, which is like 9 hours put together, working hours and intervals. So this 8 hours in a day and 48 hours in a week comes with this 1 hour, so it's 9 hours. So in many offices you could have seen this 1 hour has been broken into 15 minutes, 15 minutes and half an hour, which is like morning break is 15 minutes, lunch is half an hour and evening break is 15 minutes. So this 1 hour has been split into 3 parts. And the next is weekly holidays. Any establishment should give its employee 1 whole day in a week as an holiday. It is in statutory one that it is very important and an establishment to give an employee a whole day in a week. In this act, in short titles and under short titles and commencement, a day is given as like a day is like in 24 hours in any time. A 24 hours should be a break between any week should be given to an employee, which is a weekly holiday. And overtime is 6 hours per week and double pay. So this act clearly states that overtime should be 6 hours in a week, not more than 6 hours. Like if a person is working 8 hours in a day, he can extend up to maximum up to 1 hour plus with this 8 hour, not more than 9 hours in a day, the working hours, except this rest of intervals. So it should come 6 hours per week. It should not exceed more than 6 hours, which is which should not happen. So in an overtime, supposing if a person is getting 6 hours in a week, the employer is liable to pay the employee double the pay of his salary. Like for an hour you should get a double the pay. So all this 4 condition has to be satisfied for a working condition according to this Tamil Nadu Shops and Establishment Act 1947. So we'll see the following topics in the next video, like leaves. What are the leaves we can avail, and what are the opening and closing hours of this shops and establishment. And in application part we'll see forms pertaining to this act. What are the forms we are maintaining in our offices, and what are the forms we are supposed to submit annually, half yearly and month on month. Thank you.